Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And what we have, we believe to be a 1984 Honda ATC 250R. Now we're selling it for the cases only. I don't see any welding, and just a quick glance, I really don't see any breaks or any damage on them. We bought a bike shop out a long time ago, and this was in a box, and we're finally digging this stuff up. I think this is all pretty good stuff. Of course, we're selling it as is. I would strongly suggest going through all the bearings and seals. This one's got some drag. So anyway, now we're gonna go to the crankshaft. You got some rust on the shafts. That might be able to be polished out and used again, I don't know. The keyway area is good. Right here, that's in good shape. And actually the rod's not seized. And there's no up and down play or any side to side play. So perhaps this might be usable. And then here's the transmission. And I think this is like a balancer or something. I'm not an ATC 250R man, so I don't know these motors. I believe that these parts go to this motor because they all came together. Here's your shift forks and stuff. A lot of salvageable stuff here, but the main ingredient here is the cases. And they appear to be in good shape. So we're gonna be selling this. So thanks for looking at our stuff, and good luck.